Okay, so this is, let's call this mini task. Mini task 102, create your own Intel Fantasy package, computer package. Now, of course, lahat ng mga kailangan nating system unit components nandito as well as the external components. Like for example, the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. As well as the UPS. Okay? Now, let's start. Let's start with the CPU. You always start with the CPU in creating your computer package. So let's use Shopee. Gagamitin natin Shopee guys for this activity because Shopee is more customer, pro customer siya. Maraming beses na ako na naka-receive ng items sa sira. Nireport ko lang kay Shopee, nirefund yung aking binili. So it's much better to shop with Shopee. So let's try to find CPU first. So again, sabi ko sa inyo, Intel tayo. So I'll use Intel Core i9 na. Magka-Core i9 na ako. The fastest. And I will choose the latest model, which is the 10th generation. So this is the 10th generation. Makikita nyo dito, i9-10. This is i9 i9-990K. This is actually 9th generation. So I'll rather choose the latest version. So Intel Core i9. So I'll just copy that and okay, so you can use a Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel or the online Excel. Okay, if you know your NCA Microsoft account. So copy and paste the brand model description, what else, the price, and of course, the link. Alisin ko lang itong peso para later on makompute natin yung total. Now, how can we find a motherboard that is compatible with your Intel Core i9? So to look at that, to look for motherboard that is compatible, hanapin niyo itong part na to, the LGA2066. LGA2066. So let us try to find a motherboard that supports LGA2066. So these are the different motherboards that supports LGA2066. In this case, it's Gigabyte. Let me just copy that. Okay, and also the price as well as the link. Next, how can I choose a RAM that supports my motherboard? So looking at your motherboard, tingnan natin kung ano yung DDR. Dito, wala gaanong number of memory slots, ito. So let us look kung ano yung specification nito. Now, kapag hanapin natin yung memory specification. Memory specification. Memory. Hindi sinabi kung anong DDR, ano? Ito. So, bus clock. So, memory, maximum supported, 512. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong bilhin. Kung may makita kang 512, pwede mong kunin yon. So, hindi rin sinabi kung anong DDR. Ayun, technology, DDR4. So, that means DDR4, hahanap tayo ng speed dito. So, wag niyong piliin si OC or overclock. Doon lang tayo sa hindi overclock. So, in this case, hanap tayo na hindi overclock. Ito, si 2400. Hanap tayo ng 2400 megahertz na DDR4. So let's try to find Shopee. Meron ka bang DDR4 na 2400 megahertz? So this one. So hanap tayo na, ayun, 2400. Piliin na natin yung pinakamalaki na meron sila. So 16 gigabytes, 2400. Okay, bili tayo ng, since sabi niya, kaya niya ng 8, bili na tayo ng 8. Okay? Bili tayo ng 8. 41. Okay. Pero, using your calculator, lagyan nga natin ang quantity. Quantity. Hanap tayo. Lagyan natin ng 4. So 4 times 4, 4,150 using your calculator. Four times 4, 150, 16,600. And of course, we need to find the link. Okay, hindi pa pala natin nalagay ito. Kingston. So Kingston 16 gigabyte saka DDR4 to 2400. So that is the, alisin natin itong 4 gigabytes. Dapat 2400 megahertz. Okay, sa graphics, pagdating sa graphics, tingnan nga natin kung ano yung supported ng graphics. May sinasabi ba siya? So, PCIe, expansion slot, so add-on. Yan yung pwede nating lagyan ng graphics card. So, hahanap lang tayo ng PCIe 3.0 na graphics card. Graphics card, PCIe 3.0. Tingnan nga natin. Hanap pa nga tayo ng iba. Okay. 27,000 for a video card. Grabe, no? So, check nga natin itong anyway. Tingnan nga natin specifications ito. So we have to use Google to find the specification to check if this is compatible with your motherboard. So interface. Walang connector kasing sinasabi. Nasa ka ba? Hanapin nga natin specification nito. So specification, let me see. La. Anyway, siguro okay na to. So let's just include this to your ano ba talaga dyan? Ato si Zotac. Zotac 360. And of course, one, and you have your price, which is 40,000. And of course, don't forget your link. So lahat dapat yan may link. Now, in the computer casing, pag bumibili ka ng computer casing, kasama na dito minsan yung mga system unit fan as well as the PSU. So computer casing. Hanap tayo ng computer casing. Nandito na yung... So if you look here, kasama na yung... sasabihin niya na kasama na yung PSU or power supply unit. So, tingnan nga natin. K-site. Parang wala pa yata. PC case. Computer casing with PSU. Pero may nabibili naman na hiwalay. Alright, like this one. So, this one, may kasama na siyang PSU. Pero you can actually buy a computer casing without it. So in this case, pwedeng ito na lang yung bilhin natin. Pipili lang tayo ng this one. Okay, so it's 1,077. And okay, so do you have an idea now on how to complete this? So of course, don't forget the link. Of course, kung ano pa yung hindi ko nabanggit dito. So right now, you can actually have the Excel compute that automatically. So for example, total and this one, auto sum. So right now, it's 124,000 na. So sabi ko sa inyo, don't worry, this is just a fantasy package. Kahit umabot ng 1,000,000 yan, okay lang sa akin. But it should be a complete package. Okay? Any question about your mini task for today?